Welcome to Green and Woke on YouTube. We hope you enjoyed this segment. The link to the entire podcast can be found in the description box. So here's the recipe for truffle baked sweet potato fries. What you'll need is 5 sweet potatoes peeled and sliced into 1/4 inch long slices. You'll need 1 potato per person. 3/4 teaspoon of salt, which is optional. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 tablespoon of truffle oil. 3 tablespoons of olive oil or coconut oil. 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley for the garnish. And spices to taste. Now please note that for the salt, I say it's optional because people with high blood pressure should limit their use of salt or may choose not to add salt at all. When using salt minimally, choose a good sea salt or Himalayan salt. These salts contain minerals. Avoid buying white, refined food products. Very few foods are white naturally. Foods like salt, sugar, rice, and wheat are white because they are bleached. Refined salt and sugar has been stripped of all the nutrients and minerals during the refining process. Salt and sugar should have the color and texture of sand, and Himalayan salt is pink. We use olive or coconut oil because these are healthy oils. Avoid using corn, soy, or vegetable oils as these are made from GMO crops. Olive oil contains omegas that lower the cholesterol. Olive oil cannot be used at high temperatures, which is why we are baking our fries instead of deep frying them. While you can use white or black truffle oil, white may work better with this recipe. Instead of parsley for garnish, you can sprinkle Parmesan cheese. Make sure it's real Parmesan cheese, not something that's labeled cheese product, which is fake. And you can shave white truffle until the fries prior to serving using a grater. Now the first thing after you get your ingredients is to preheat your oven to 425 Fahrenheit. Now please remember that ovens vary according to make and model and altitude of the city you live in. Cut your sweet potatoes into fries. And what I usually do is not peel the potatoes or sweet potatoes. I wash them and eat them with the peel because the peel is rich in vitamins. 2. In a bowl, toss your raw fries in olive oil. 3. Arrange your fries on a non-stick baking sheet. 4. Bake 15 minutes. Take the fries out, flip them. Bake an additional 10 or 15 minutes. 5. When the fries are ready, they should be soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. Drizzle with your truffle oil. Then, while they're still warm, season with salt and pepper to taste. 6. Once you have them plated, you can garnish them with parsley, Parmesan cheese, or shaved truffles. And 7. Serve with a garlic aioli or homemade ketchup. Don't use store-bought ketchup because it's loaded with sugar or worse, high fructose corn syrup. So that's the recipe for today. Enjoy! Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining us. Tune in next month for an all-new episode of Green and Woke. And remember to keep it simple, keep it constant, keep it green, and together we can build a better planet.